In the old days, your dog was your best friend on site. But now all that's changed thanks to Powers Fasteners. Just out of the kennel, Powers Walldog, a one-piece mechanical fixing for most substrates. Walldogs are available in many varieties, including 32mm, 50mm, Gow, Phillips drive and square drive. For Hebel, for gyprock and for timber, no pre-drilling is required. No longer do you require a toolbox full of fixings. For block, for brick and for concrete, simply drill a 5mm hole before installing your Walldog anchor. And the new release, Powers Dogbox, all the fixings you need for any job. And you can still have your best friend on site.